So if we're looking at Y10 now, you see 47? 47 is support. Check the L2. Everybody see this? Now, if you look at where 47 is, that's VWAP, right? So support is on VWAP. This is where everybody in the L2 is stacked up. So theoretically, if that is the case, that means we want to buy around VWAP. So this will be another entry. I'm going to set up for it now. Anywhere in here, this is a great opportunity to buy in again because we're showing support down there. So again, I will set up with 1,000 shares. Where are we at? 49. Realistically, I could buy here, add out somewhere up here. Or I could add heavier here, add again if it does come down to VWAP. But remember, we have to buy before the buyers hit. Now at 45, this is a moving target. 45 and 47. So let this bleed a bit. Let this bleed out. 45 now is where they're setting up shop. See 45? Now they're moving it to 40. This is one person. See this here? Now it's moved to 40. So what's happening is as this is moving down, this one person's like, you know what, I'll buy it here. Nope, I'll move it here. Nope, I'm going to buy it here. You see how it's moving? That's a moving target. They're starting to get a pop. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to buy now. Small position, 1,000 shares, right? Now I got a taste in. If it pops, I'll sell right away. If it tries to pull one of these pops again, I'll sell right away. Otherwise, I'm going to add on VWAP. If it breaks VWAP, though, I'll get out. So I'm very small position. I want to see these buyers start to stack. Watching the L2 for sellers. If this starts to stair step up, I'll add. If it pops, I'll sell. Does that make sense? Yeah, because normally I would not be adding into a losing trade. But since I'm buying a little bit early, right, I need this earlier than VWAP because this would be the last stand. Remember, we have to buy before everyone else does because otherwise you're going to miss the pop, right? Right here, I'm going to add. Now remember, VWAP is my bottom level, but I just added. Now holding 2,000 shares. Very small risk. I've got my hand on the trigger for sell all if I have to. This is either going to bounce, start to drive where I'll add, or it will bounce with a big pop, and the pop I'll sell right there. See, I could sell right there for $15. So right here, I'm up. Yep, see it starting to climb now? And right there, I'll take my money. I don't know what it sold at. I sold it when it said $30. Let me look. It ended up making $3 from 30 to $3, but that's because it's kind of blinking in here. Now look at this. Look at this nice move. This is the bounce off of VWAP, right? This is why I said we can get in early here. Look at this beautiful candle. That's glorious, right? That right there is 100 or 200 or, depending on your size. That little candle right there, though, that's what I like to call a $200 candle on a small account. Yeah, this is the move, right? Now look at this. See that? Now there's your payday. There's a $600 candle coming out. Right? So now you've taken that little baby trade down here on VWAP, right? And then it ran, and remember I said if it stair steps, we add in on a stair step. So you bought in here, you added in here, and now you got this big ass pop. And on a pop, I sell. Just like that. Isn't that glorious? And this is what I said too, right? The beauty of even buying it down here was, like I said, if this breaks below VWAP, you have to have that mental fortitude to have that, right? The stop loss right here. And if you can't do that, you cannot trade pre-market, right? If you cannot stick to your guns, this is no good for you.